Synthetic and synthetic blend fabrics are more prone to wrinkles than other fabrics. The Perm Press cycle was created for these types of fabrics and is perfect for dress shirts, pants, wrinkle-free clothing items, and cotton poly blends. The cycle uses lower spin speeds and was designed to help reduce wrinkling. Cold wash can be used, and turbo wash can be selected to shorten the cycle time. Soak, extra rinses, and water plus can be added if needed. You can modify the cycle depending on how dirty your load is. Available options may vary by model. Remember to use high-efficiency detergent and never exceed the detergent manufacturer's recommended amount for your load type and size. Do not fill the detergent dispenser over the maximum fill line. By selecting the appropriate cycle for your load type, you can optimize wash performance when using your LG washer.